I have a behind the scenes to show you guys. Run that B-roll. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I want to share with you a behind the scenes from a graduation senior photo shoot that I did yesterday. And the gears that I used in this video was my Osmo Pocket 3 for the behind the scenes, my 50mm 1.2, my G Master 135, my 35mm 1.4 lens. All these gears will be in the description below. Let's go. Yes, love that right there. A little more, that's a soft smile. Beautiful, stay right there. Love it, love it, love it, don't move. Gorgeous. Oh, yes, so nice. Stay right there, don't move, okay? Oh, this is so nice. Stay right there. Love it. Still a little windy, but it's okay. So I want some more of this confetti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? It's right here.
Should be there somewhere. Where is it?
Right
Ah, there you go. It's close. Good. Yes. Okay. Good. So you're just gonna kind of blow it towards me as much as you possibly can.
Okay.
Let me give you more.
Okay.
Good.
She asked if I was your sister.
Huh?
What? She asked if I was your sister.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Maybe you guys look the same.
Oh, I was gonna say something. Sisters? I'm just kidding.
Sister. All right.
Okay.
So hold on. I'm gonna use the auto camera. So I'm gonna be tight up to you. Hold on. I'll tell you when I'm ready. Don't move it. Don't do it yet. Not yet.
Doing it.
Not yet, girl. All right. You're good. You're good. All right. So happy blow. Okay. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, that was good.
Really? It blew towards me.
All right, if you guys are getting any value from this video, smash that like button, guys. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more. And let's get back to the video. You know the pose now? You're just gonna throw the hat up, okay? I'll tell you when I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Can I rest the other elbow on the bench for me a little bit? Good, right there. Love that. Oh yeah, I love that. That's beautiful. A little bit smile. Gorgeous. Stay right there. Hold that. Oh yeah, I love that. Almost stay right there. Good. Come on, a little closer. Stay right there. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I love that. And the wind is working so nicely. Good. And then sit in the middle of the bench, like you put it under the other one.
On top?
No, yeah, let me see that. Beautiful, looking that way. Good. And slide your right hand back a little bit. More. Good, looking up there. Beautiful. Love that, yes. Gorgeous. Love that. Don't move, stay right there. Gorgeous. Bit more smile, girl. Still smile. Yeah, the light. Love that. Good. Stay right there, don't move. Love that. Looking at me? Beautiful. Love that. Gorgeous. We'll stay right there. Gorgeous. Awesome. Perfect. So it's kind of looking at me right here. Beautiful. Kind of fix the hair a little bit. Kind of say, yeah, perfect. Love that. Gorgeous. Do that one more time. The action of it. Love that. Good. When you do that though, just kind of looking out that way.
That way.
Yeah. Perfect. And smile. Bring your hand up, back a little bit. Good. And then your other hand kind of inside of your pocket. You can do a little bit like this right here. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Beautiful. I love that. Gorgeous. Right there. Beautiful. Yeah, gorgeous. We love that. So do a little bit more. Yeah. But try not to stuck your stomach out. Yeah, perfect.
Suck it in. We gotta go.
Suck it in. All right, see right there. Beautiful. Love that. So do a little bit more top hand. Yes. Beautiful. Love that. Gorgeous. Love it. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So the one thing I'll say is on your photo shoot, don't be afraid to have fun. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to experiment as much as possible. And don't be afraid to try new things, guys. Try new things. And most importantly, guys, it's always about the clients. Just remember the clients, keep in mind, whether it's a cold day, a hot day, you make sure you pay attention to them. If you need to hydrate them, if you need to give them a break, do so. All right, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.